So a memory, any physical device capable of storing data is called memory. ऐसा आला जो डेटा को स्टोर करने की सलाहियत रखता हो मेमोरी कहलाता है. It has two types, volatile and non-volatile. Volatile memory, a device which holds data as long as it has power supply connected to it, is called volatile memory. For example, RAM, random access memory. Second, we are going for the non-volatile memory. ऐसा वाला जो उस वक्त तक डेटा महफूज रखता है जब तक कि बिजली की फराहमी मुयसर रहे. Non-volatile, a device which can hold data even if it is not connected to any power source, is called non-volatile, like hard disk, flash, memory cards, etc. ऐसा वाला जो डेटा को उस वक्त तक महफूज रखे